so they can see my new top boy season. I need the pagans alive so they can all see that it's still my time. I don't know why they act tough online. I see them outside and they ain't say nada. Soon as you say on site, we looking for you like some vintage Prada, looking for you like some archive pieces. Jealousy in the ends, they hate when you become successful, but in the trenches we were all friends. How long we trying to pretend? I know they love to see me do well, but only when it benefits them. Is it about money or is it about girls? Either way, I'm threatening men. See, just text said diligent, yeah, cause the outfit's making sense. I told him it costs to be the boss and to be this fly is the same expense. And we just went triple platinum, check the digits. Most these brothers is tired and washed up, bro, but they won't admit it. How many times have I dumbed it down to make a boy feel like he's on my level? And I ain't talking about kettles, I ain't talking about precious metals. I'm talking about taking a year out till I can't see no competition. Can't see anyone threatening my position.
Morning, morning, morning. Morning, morning, morning. Give me 1 second. Alright, where we at? Let's turn this up. Start with pound yen. GJ had quite a nice push up yesterday. Didn't quite get to this daily resistance. Then dropped back down. So yesterday I was looking for a retest of like 197.11. But news was already pushing pound yen up a little bit. But it failed to continue, failed to give us a proper push. And then retraced. So today, obviously, pound yen is bearish. Had a nice rejection, pushing back down through this range. So my sell target today would be back down to this daily key level, this daily support, 193.9. I'll look for price to fall back down here. 4 hours already broken the previous 4 hour low. We're pushing down. Clean candle to the left on the 4 hour. And the sells are looking good. Let's just mark up. So this support has already been broken. So I'm looking for this support to the left. And we already have a closure below. But we have rejection candles. So I'm gonna be cautious about taking any sells just yet. Might wait for a resistance before selling down. We've got a resistance up here or a retest of a previous resistance. But daily's bearish, 4 hours bearish. So it looks like it might be some sells all the way down through this range here. GJ is looking pretty clean, price action wise, downtrend structure, closing below support. I have no news this morning. Just double check, but I'm sure we don't. The next GBP news is tomorrow. Yep, tomorrow at 7. So nothing today. Let's take a quick look at gold. Gold is still pushing up. And this is mainly Russia, Ukraine news. Pushing gold. So this daily area here, I was looking for a retest, but it seems that price is pushing up due to that war stuff. We do have clean candles coming up. So I'm thinking maybe a retest of 2700 before gold decides it wants to fall again. 4 hour support all the way up here. Resistance, all the way up here. 4 hour support, 2621. Maybe a retest of this broken resistance. But I think gold is just going to keep chugging upwards, to be honest. Gold's just going to keep pushing. See any resistances to the left? Resistance right here. And then another one here. So these are my gold levels for today. I want to see what happens when price pushes up to this next one. But we do have a closure above already. So let's see if gold keeps pushing up above this first resistance. Where is that? Maybe a retest of this broken support. Yeah, retest of this support or retest of this support to then push back down again. That's what I want to see. Retested the support. Oh, doesn't want to show the 15-minute time frame. I kind of want to see gold flip and drive. We already got the closure above. This would have been the entry candle. So would have been in this trade here. 29 pips stop loss. Gold seems like it wants to continue up, disrespecting the previous lows. Morning as well. I do like these GJ cells. Same GJ cells for that 1 hour wick fill. Yeah. I like this retest here of this support. But if it retests this support as well, I wouldn't mind. We have this kind of rejection area up here anyway. I would like a resistance. So if this candle closes like bullish, but the next candle drives down, I'll be looking for sells. Even if this candle flips bearish, I think the sells look good at the candle flip. Minutes don't look great. Yo, what's up, Benny? Yeah, so also sells from like, say up here. If it retests 197, 196.10, around there. Asian lows, where we're at right now. gold doing a little pullback. If this candle pushes up, retest this resistance, this broken support, and then the next candle drives down below here, then that 1 hour's flip bearish. But I would rather wait for structure, to be honest, because we've had this strong push down, sort of rejection back up. Gold buys, yeah, I like gold buys. Definitely. We've had this closure above. I was saying before, this 630 candle would have been my entry. Break of this high, stop loss below, about 30 pips. Just need this 7 o'clock candle to break this high and then keep pushing up. Because we've already had the breakout, I think I want to wait for like more structure before I take some buys. So a support and then buy back up from that. Maybe a retest of this broken resistance. So yeah, for me, I'm not going to get into gold just yet. I'm going to wait. Keep an eye on pounds yen. Minute candle, close right at that support, which is kind of perfect if it respects this previous high and then pushes down. If it breaks the high, and I think I'm looking at what's going to happen around this 196.10. Right, looking for the next level now. Gold pulling back. It's a good thing I didn't get into any buys at 6:30. No, we're not really near where the stop would have been yet. But it didn't really give that push after the breakout. Okay, pound yen didn't break that previous high on the 15. That's good. Even though the 15 minute is not my entry time frame, I still like to see how structures forming on the lower candles, at the smaller candles. Come on, GJ, what are you doing? I think this 4 hour wick should get filled again. It's pulling up now, but this range to the left is just, it's a big push up yesterday, on Tuesday even. .4 hours still making lower highs. yeah, back down. Waiting for resistance. No gold. Waiting for support. How was everyone's New York session yesterday? Anyone catch anything nice? I took some gold buys. Down. I took gold buys. It was 28. It was on the 30 minute. I took these gold buys here. Once this candle formed, strong bullish candle off of this support, pushed up. I was like, yeah, I like this entry here, but I wanted to clear these wicks first, even though it just kept bouncing off. So I took this entry and I closed at about 40 pips. So I was trailing my stop loss, pushed up, and I got out. It's about 34. I had like a stop loss up here, and this candle whipped me out. I think it was this candle actually. Whipped me out and continued pushing. It would have been like a 200 pip trade. My TP was above this resistance. But yeah, it was a nice trade. We got the support on gold, but it's just broken the high. Is what it is. Pound yen pushing. Pound yen is pushing and then rejecting. I like it. I just wanted to reject from this area. Ooh, what a push. Oh, come on, wait for us. I did say I wanted a candle flip. It's gonna be one of those days it drives without us again, isn't it? Might be looking at a closure below now. Oh, what a push. Rejected this area. But what a rejection. Gone, broken the previous 1 hour low. Oh, if we get a closure below, that's great. Go on, 2 minutes, just 3 pips. Wow. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? I think we might have to be quick here. Madness. Gold just started ripping. I think I might have a long stop loss to start with. I am actually going to put my stop loss above this previous candle just in case pound yen decides to wick up a lot. But once the candle starts pushing down, then I'll reduce it just to be on the safe side, because the volume that's coming in, we're getting in at the break of this low. Yeah, I'm still looking for an entry. The way it's pushing down, I'm going to use obviously a smaller stop loss, but I'm just going to wait for this candle to push down first and then reduce my stop. That drop happened super quick. Super quick. Gold pushing up. that pound yen's making a nice top wick. Then I can use it for a stop loss. So really, let me put a sell stop about 42. So we've had this drive down, retested this wiki area. This push down happened in like 5 minutes when the candle flipped. So now we've got a nice 730 top wick. When this candle flips bearish and breaks the previous low, I'll be in. And I'll use this candle's top wick as my stop loss. I was pushing up. That drop was crazy. I was pushing right back up. What kind of games is pound yen playing? Came back to the 1 hour open. Guess this support was kind of strong. Well, it's giving us a good stop loss. Whoa, big stop loss, 44 pips. It'd be a bit too big. You're gonna get that flip and drive. wanted to sell from resistance. 15-minute just cleared all of this structure. Still got 21 minutes till this 1 hour candle closes. Pound yen is going to make us wait for it again. Wait for the last 10 minutes of the candle. And then give us loads of volume. So 5 minutes to the next 15-minute candle. That candle respects this high and drives down. We've got another resistance. I'll be back in 1 minute. Keep an eye on this price though. Pound yen still kind of pushing. GJ is definitely going to flip. That's what I want. I want that wick fill. I want this wick fill and then break at the low. It's just going to take his time about it. Gold was the move. Right, this 15-minute, I don't want it to break the previous 15-minute high, just push down. At least gold's had some structure, resistance, support, push up. So I can see this continuing. So yeah, the 15-minute support broke the high. This would have been a nice impulse entry, pushing up, break this high and go. But impulse entries aren't my fave. Might have to wait for some 8 o'clock volume for pound yen. Excellent 15. Do just that. Drive down now. Go on, drive down. Come on, pound yen, you're going the wrong way. I didn't want it to break this 15-minute high, you know, but then this candle did, and then pushed back down. Gold retracing a little bit. Wow, back to this support. Let's see what dollar index is looking like. It's bullish, form support. It's pushing up. Interesting. Yeah, this stop loss is a bit too big for me now. I'm gonna wait it out. So we have a top wick on that candle. Okay, so it's not coming back for a top wick here. It's coming back for a retest of this support again. No entry just yet. This support is held. Gotta wait for some more downtrend structure. So we had the resistance, support. Now we need another resistance to sell down from. We had one on the 15. That's why this candle would have been the entry when we broke the low, because we'll be selling down from this support. This resistance. But price, instead of breaking the low, pushed right back up. But this 196 area seems to be holding. Or this rejection area. All these lovely rejection wicks. This was a strong 30-minute candle. 50 pips. Presidency also brings the spectre of currency. Right, we didn't break the previous 30-minute high, which is a good look, but this is a strong support that's formed. And we have engulfed the previous 30-minute candle's body. But we do have more sell confirmations. We're respecting this support. Daily's bearish. 4 hours still bearish. 1 hour's bullish, but not strong bullish. But we do have this rejection wick. We could get a 1 hour confirmation pattern, continuation pattern. But I really don't want to see this 1 hour high broken. Or a push back up in this range. Still holding this area. Okay, London Open. No bottom wick. Got a tiny bottom wick. Is it gonna break the high? Came very close. Damn, broke the high. $80, 81.5 pip range. $30 pips back up to resistance. I couldn't even take the buys when the higher time frames are bearish. Daily still bearish, 4 hours still bearish. Maybe we're just retesting this support here. Before a rejection down. That was another option. Nice continuation pattern on gold. This should continue pushing up to at least this resistance. Alright, pound yen, flip bearish. Drive back down. He said buys are out of the question. 100%, I'm not looking for no buys. I'm not looking for any buys. But I always say, what if? There we go, flip bearish. Down you go. We've retested this broken support. That rejection. Okay, gold. Pound yen. We're doing these crazy pushes again. Yeah, we're driving down. But don't leave us. Wow. Alright, sorry, had to take a quick phone call. You're looking for a bearish close, then I'm in sales. I know, right? No, I'm totally with you on that. But 15 minutes is looking a bit, it's looking very sideways. But these pushes down and the rejections, especially from this area. So now we've had a retest of this support. I don't think price is going to push back up there. That's my opinion. I really don't believe price is going to push back up. Go on gold, break this high, continue up. 27 pip stop. Alright, 15-minute closed bearish, but in this disgusting range here. No entries in this range. Give it a top wick first. No, okay. What's GJ's sell target? My sell target is down here. 193, 193.7 to like 193.9. Like this whole area. Yeah. And if I get in sells, I am holding all the way till down there. All the way. I want every pip. Every single pip. Oh, that's what I wanted. Look at this. Continuation pattern. Once we break this low, it's a free fall. I would love to get this 30-minute closure below. That would be great. Be a closure below, be an engulfing. I'm going to be loaded up on positions. Yeah, I hope GJ doesn't tank without us too. Okay, gold broke the high. So this is the gold bullish continuation. So what buys on one side, sells on the other. Where would be the next? There's rejection wicks there. I kind of want gold to come up to like 2673 up here. Break above that resistance. Closure above. That's probably where I'll be looking for buys. Closure above 2666, which is fun to say. Yeah. If I get that closure above in 10 minutes, 8 minutes, that's perfect. With pound yen, even if it doesn't close below, I'm looking to take sells on the next candle, the 830 candle. That's because we have support and then a resistance. And I want to sell down from the resistance. So with volume, should push below. If with volume, break this low and continue below this support. That's if I get a nice bearish candle closure. Right, let's see what gold does at this resistance. Come on, GJ, push down. What's going on here? Did it make a 15-minute top wick? Okay. I feel like it was just making that top wick. Yeah, make that top wick. Keep going. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Don't engulf just yet. We've got still 7 minutes left for this candle to close. Just wait for us. Just wait for us. Just give us 6 minutes. And then close below. What are we thinking, guys? We're going to get a closure below in 5 minutes? I just hope it doesn't do what it did the other day and just boom, just tank. GJ has that potential. Look how clean this range is down here. It's just oof. Come on, what are you pulling up for? I guess it is a support area, so price is gonna bounce around here for a second. But when it drives, should be no looking back. Gold is just gonna get the closure above on gold, and hopefully the closure below on pound yen. So for gold, once this closes above, I'm taking a break of the high up to at least 2670. So buyers above closure. So I'm gonna set that up in case we're looking at pound yen, but that's the plan for gold. Pound yen. As long as we get a closure right near this support, I'm taking a break of these lows. So depending on where this candle closes, I'm gonna have a sell stop. And then I'm gonna use the 830 candle top wick as a stop loss. Let's put the sell stop at the bottom, you know what? That's good. Gold is leaving a top wick. I'm gonna have a buy stop. No, not closure. Buy stop. Right here. Oh, gold's pushing up too much. Okay, I'm not gonna do my buy stop for gold there. I'm gonna wait for a bottom wick. Which is not gonna give just yet. Come on, retest this resistance at least. At least. Okay. Focus on GJ then. Oh, we're getting close to an entry. Go on. Break this low and slap. It's actually a bit higher on my broker. Okay, gold. I don't think I'm gonna get my gold entry. No bottom wick, and it's already pushing up. If it creates a bottom wick and then re-breaks the high, then I'll look to get in. But I don't know, man. This gold volume is a bit crazy. Okay, we're in some GJ sells. Where did it catch my entry? 42.8. I'm going to use a 30 pip stop loss just in case it pulls back and makes a top wick. I think I'm going to move my stop loss to break even pretty quick. just in case it does pull back, because we don't have much of a top wick. And then if it does, if it hits my entry, my break even, and then creates a top wick and then pushes back down, I'll get in again. But I don't want to be in like all this drawdown. Boom, we've broken all the lows. Refilled this 4-hour bottom wick. Broken the 1-hour low. Should drive down. Go on, GJ, push. It is a lovely trade. Didn't wait for the closure below, but I mean at this point we didn't need it. We had a push up from support, strong push back down. We broke these wicks to the left. Wasn't going to miss out like we did the other day. Right, I'm going to move my stop loss to break even here. Because like I said, if it pulls up and make a top wick after this drive down, then I'll get in again, but we're pushing. Gold is just... Man, sometimes the structure is just too perfect for a wick up. 100%, 100%. And we do have a little top wick anyway. So with this much bearish volume, yeah, I'm good. The entry on gold should have been a breaker this high, because I did mention this bullish continuation pattern. But that's okay, it's okay. Gold's gonna do what gold's gonna do. Right, where we at? 25 pips up. 25 pips up so far. Need 30 pips, okay. Here you go, here's 30 pips for you. It's coming. but we've got no structure to the left for a while, until at least 194.97. This might be an all-day trade for me, you know. These are the trades that you just set and forget. You know what, I'm looking to lock in some of these profits when this 15-minute candle closes. But I will be adding positions all the way down today. Gold's gonna hit my TP without me. Yeah, I'm looking positions because I think the next 15 might push up, make a top wick, and I want to secure some. Alright, 40 seconds to go before I start locking in positions. Closed. Closed 80%. Actually, what price was it? Down here. Closed 80% there. I don't think this 15-minute top wick is going to be crazy. Do have another closure below on 15. But yeah, I'll be looking for another entry next 30-minute candle, 9 o'clock. I've also closed partials in case we get a retest of this support again. That was a W trade. Pulling back up. Stop loss is 1 pip from entry. So if it hits 41.8, I'm out of this trade. Ooh, yep. That's why we close partials. Lock some in. case we get a retest of this support before more sells down. If you didn't close partials and move your stop loss to break even, then that's also good. If you moved your stop loss right above this entry candle high, that's a good look. But we had a strong push away from this support. And a lot of the time price comes back to retest it, retest broken support. So I didn't want it to push too far down and then pull right back up on me, without securing some of these profits. So we locked it in. W trade, that's right, Caswell. I hope you secured some. Either way, even if you didn't, it's still going down. I'm 90% sure of it, but anything can happen. I don't want to be overconfident. Anything can happen with pound yen. Good. Alright, gold's coming back for that bottom wick. Glad you closed partials. Yeah, I know there's like a 30 seconds, maybe like 20 to 30 second delay on the stream. That's why I wrote it in the chat what I was gonna do, because that 30-second delay, there can be a lot of movement in price in 30 seconds. Didn't get the buyers because we didn't have the bottom wick. Now we got the bottom wick 7 minutes before the candle closes. Re-entry on pound yen. I'll be honest, I like the closure below. I do like this closure below, so if you get a nice closure below, good top wick on a 9 o'clock candle, I'm looking for more sells. I would like this 15-minute to close weak bullish. Then we have the continuation pattern, push right down. So I'm looking for that. And then a 30-minute break of the low, which will also be, breaking this low. I want this resistance to hold for gold as well. Look, made the bottom wick. 15. I might leave gold until later. Might leave it until later. I do want a weak bullish closure on pound yen on this 15 or a bearish candle, honestly. And then same thing again, closure below, wait for the top wick, sells at the break of the low. Gotta ride this wave down. Four minutes. All right, closer to the time this candle closes, I'm gonna put another sell stop at the break of this low. And I think I'll use this 15-minute high as a stop loss. Now I'm going to put the stop loss just above this support in case price pushes up, but I don't really want it to break this 15-minute high. Now I'm going to use this 15-minute high as a stop loss. Gold is a beast. Look at this. I was bearish on gold until Ukraine started bombing Russia back, well, hitting them with missiles. Now gold is just pushing. Push straight up from Monday. Boom, no bottom wick on the weekly candle. Nuts. Now we've broken the last, well, the last lower low. If we break above 2700, I think gold is bullish again. Oh, I want this candle to close just like this. Let me put this back on the 30 minute. Keep an eye on this bad boy. Don't break the low without us. Just wait. Just wait a minute. M15 for sure. But the good thing is we've had the pullback to support. I'm gonna have another sell stop right here. Adjust it. No, it's a bit lower. I need the top wick. Stop loss above the previous 15. Pips, then move it once this 15-minute makes a top wick. In fact, you know what, guys? I'm waiting for the top wick. I took it off. I can't do it. I need that top wick. I don't know how big this top wick's gonna be. I need that top wick. It's a 30-minute top wick too. Yeah, I need that 30-minute top wick first. If it drives down without me, cool. Still have quite a lot of range to play with later. And the reason I've done that is because I want to use that top wick as my stop loss. Because this 30 pip stop loss here, it will take away the profits of this morning. I don't want to do that. Oh my god, gold popped again. We had a bottom wick too, and then just goldy. Yeah, you know how I feel about these top wicks. If it drives without me, that's cool. I'm not really I don't really like taking trades after 9:30, but mainly 9:30. I'm gonna keep an eye on pound yen today because we're already in this range, this area to drop. Got the closure below. I just need a little pullback, even if it's a small top wick. Let me look at my broker, see if I got one there, because I don't trade with Rwanda. Nah, no top wick on my broker either. Oh, good job, Benny. Good job. Me, I'm acting like scared money right now. Not even. I need that wick, man. If it don't come now, it's gonna come at some point. So it would be great if it pushed all the way down and then pushed up and made that top wick later. It's a good confirmation for me to look for buys. Once we get down to this daily support, I'm here for it. I'm not feeling any FOMO, anything. I entered 9553, holding 50%. Yes, Caswell. Love it. Oh, you got in up. Where'd you get in? 533. Oh, beautiful. Very nice. I need to be taking your entries. I'd still be in this. Go on, pound yen, go. Ooh. GJ is gone. Yeah, well, since there's no entries here for me, if price does pull back, make a top wick, and then re-break this low, I'll get into some sells. Hopefully it doesn't for you guys already in your trades. But I am looking for, right now, well, over the next couple hours, I want a support, a resistance, and then further sells down here, down to 193.91. Caswell's looking for a daily wick fill. Oh yes, yeah, 100%. If it breaks past this support and just wicks down, it's gonna be looking gorgeous. But that's what I'm looking for anyway. Gold, I want to see some 30-minute structure on gold, possibly some 15 minutes to get into some more buys. But yeah, I'm going to leave it here because I'm not going to take a trade at 9:30. I might stream NY depending on what price action's looking like. See what happens with pound yen. I'm quite interested in today's price action. So yeah, good session today, guys, and see you tomorrow bright and early for pound retail sales, 7 o'clock. I'm out. See you guys.